Hello friends, good afternoon everybody. I am Wale sir, working in Jawahar and Jawahar Secondary and Higher Secondary School, Kesapuri Camp, Majalgaon as an English teacher. And now today we are going to discuss about be smart. All of you, your concentration. It's very important to select our career, and there are lots of important factors, but some of them we are going to discuss here. Then we can reduce the distress by making a proper choice in planning a career. If we do what we love to do, the journey becomes smooth and leads to success. The following diagram shows the important factors to be considered while choosing a career. Discuss which factors you regard as important. To choosing career, C A R E R, career factors, FACTORS, choosing career factors. Now look on the blackboard, there is written career factors, and we will discuss here within our group, and then we will be take good knowledge of the particular tips. Then career factors. Now you consider, how do you select your career? If the factors are available, then definitely we will be select the career as a interesting career. Then one of them we will discuss here, career factors. Which are the career factors? Number 1, financial gains. Financial gains. Means you consider here money. Whenever we want to support, then definitely financial gains is very important. Now you may select, if anyone have want money, means you here again, if you haven't money, then how do you feel? The responses will be, we could not become successful. Anyone says that I could not reach on the goal. Anyone say I could not become successful in life. But if we have money, very few money we need to support us to become successful. Now the next point is family profession. Family profession is very interesting factor to choosing career. If our family members are related to the concept, then definitely they will support us in every way to become successful to your own life. If the career, if you watch or see the career as important for human life, the family profession support us to become be smart, to become successful, to reach on the top of the goal. The next point we will discuss here, abilities. Abilities are very important. Ability is one of the important factor to choosing career. Whenever we need to choose our career, then definitely abilities are very important. Then the next point, interest. Interest is the next factor to become successful, to choose, to support, to choose the career. Then we will discuss here about the interest. Interest means each and everyone haven't interest to do our duties. But here, interest, if we have interest in a particular field or in a particular thing, then definitely the work will be become just fine. Means interest is very interesting. Suppose you may take the example of yourself. If you haven't interest, then definitely you could not reach in school. You have interest, that's why you have been coming here to take knowledge. You have been coming here only by your interest. Means your interest lead you in our school. Means interest. Suppose you may take the example of Sachin Tendulkar. How to become successful Sachin Tendulkar? His interest is very important. The education is very important, but also to interest. If we have interest, then definitely we will become successful. Like as a Sachin Tendulkar. How does Sachin Tendulkar reach on the top of the world? Then next point is skills. Skills are very interesting and important factor to choosing career, to become successful in our life. Skills. Skillful person. You compare first skillful person and unskillful person. What are the difference between both factors? Skillful person make the thing very clear and very fine or the good, and unskillful person do not make the thing good or fine. Then you may take the example like as a tortoise and rabbit. Tortoise work continuously Rabbit could not work continuously. That's why the tortoise reached to the goal, reach to his own goal, and a rabbit could not reach there. Why? Because there is not there it isn't working continuously. So guys, the important we have discussed here, important factors to choosing career in a be smart. So all of you recite it, read words again and again, then use dictionary to detect the knowledge, to detect the information from the lesson. It's very important to read again and again, practice more and more. It will become successful in his or her life. Okay? Some questions. How do we select career? Question number 2. How do people reach on the top of? Question mark. These two you practice more to solve these two questions, and after that, if you have any difficulties, then definitely we will be discuss here. Now today, be smart, the warming up activity, and in warming up activity there is one of the important factor, that is career factors, is very important point, and now we have discussed here. Thank you, thank you, thank you.